Hello everyone, welcome to Agri Quiz. We had already discussed 40 important questions on agronomy. So today we will discuss few more questions related to agronomy. So let's start right now. First question is question number 41. Which of the following is long period residual? And the options are Annulophos, atrazine, 2,4-D sodium salt, or all of these. And the correct answer is B, that is atrazine. Okay. Then question number 42. Compounds used for protecting crop plants which are susceptible to some herbicides are called as safeners, protectants, both the above, or none of these. The correct answer is C, both the above. That means safeners and protectants. Compound used for protecting crop plants which are susceptible to some herbicides. Okay. Then question number 43. Paraquat spray can be inactivated by spraying 1% ferric chloride, 1% calcium chloride, 1% sodium chloride, all of these. And the correct answer is 1% ferric chloride, option A. Then question number 44. Compounds which aid the herbicide availability at the action site in plants are called adjuvant, acetone, antibody, or all of these. And the correct answer is adjuvant, that is option A. Then moving forward to the next question, question number 45. Which of the following thickening agents are used in the herbicides? And the options are benzene, acetone, 2,4-D, or sodium azonate. The correct answer is sodium alginate, that is option D. Then question number 46. When the resistant plant possesses two or more distinct resistance mechanisms to a single or groups of herbicides is termed as grass resistance, multiple resistance, both the above, or none of the above. And the correct answer is multiple resistance, that is option B. Then question number 47. Which of the common crop rotation under irrigated fields condition of Coimbatore district? And the options are ragi cotton sorghum, rice cotton, wheat rice wheat, or rice peas moong. And the correct answer is that is first option A, ragi cotton sorghum. This combination is common crop rotation under irrigated fields of Coimbatore district. Okay. Then question number 48. Which of the following is a fumigant herbicide? Methyl bromide, methane, both of the above, or none of these? The correct answer is both the above. That means methyl bromide and methane. Both are included in fumigant herbicide. Then question number 49. Foliage applied herbicide in glyphosate, nitrogen, methane, or none of these? And the correct answer is glyphosate, option A. Then question number 15. Water content of apical portion of roots and shoots is how much percentage? 50%, greater than 90%, less than 70%, or less than 20%? And the correct answer is B, greater than 90%. Then moving forward to the next question, that is question number 51. Majority of rainfall in India is contributed by southwest monsoon, northeast monsoon, pre-monsoon rain, or none of these. And the correct answer is southwest monsoon. That is option A. Okay. Then question number 52. The methods adopted to measure the evapotranspiration is called lysimeter experiment, oxanometer, barometer, or all of these. And the correct answer is A. That is lysimeter experiment. Lysimeter experiment method is adopted to measure the evapotranspiration. Then question number 53. Losses of water includes surface runoff, transpiration, evaporation from soil surface, or all of these. And the correct answer is all of these, because all of these are included in losses of water, surface runoff, transpiration, and evaporation from soil surface. Then question number 54. Factor affecting water requirements is crop factor, soil factor, climate factor, or all of these. The correct answer is all of these. That means all factors are included: crop factor, soil factor, and climatic factor. Then question number 55. Check basin method of irrigation is also known as beds and channel method, graded border, level border, or none of these. The correct answer is that is A. Beds and channel board method. Okay. Then question number 56. Which method of irrigation is suitable for orchard crops? Basin method, ring basin method, furrow method, or all of these? And the correct answer is that is B. Ring basin method. Then question number 57. Which of the following is a type of sprinkler? Rotation head system, perforated pipe system, both the above, or none of the above? And the correct answer is both the above. That means rotation head system and perforated pipe system is a type of sprinkler. Then question number 58. Question number 58. Average rate of application of water to crop is called as moisture content, precipitation intensity, water index, or all of these. Here the correct answer is precipitation intensity. Average rate of application of water to crop is called precipitation intensity. Then question number 59. Water sprayed area of sprinkler is given by equation where R equal to radius of wetted area, MD equal to water area, D equal to diameter of nozzle, A is equal to pressure head at nozzle. And the correct answer is that is C. R equal to 1.35 into under root of TH. This is the formula. Then moving forward to the last question, that is question number 60. Drip irrigation is also known as trickle irrigation system, line source irrigation, both the above, or none of these. Here the correct answer is both the above. That means trickle irrigation system and line source irrigation both are called drip irrigation. So that's all, and we have almost covered in this part 20 important question, that is 40 to 60. So the rest part of this agronomy I will discuss in the next video. Okay, thank you so much.